I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a symmetrical pattern on Adobe Illustrator. First thing I did was make a 6x6 square. You can color whatever you like. I also made a star by just going to shapes and star and make. And to add a little bit more depth, I just added some smaller stars, and I'm just recoloring a little bit. It's totally not necessary, just playing with it a lot. And you gotta put the star in the top left corner. I'm playing with it a little bit just to make sure that the pattern will go where I want it to go and not just hang off the edge when we start moving around the stars. And that's very important because it'll look a little bit weird if you don't figure that out. So put it in the top left corner. Next thing you're gonna do is, so we're just making sure we're placing that star right. That first star is so important. I have to stress this. If you do that one wrong, everything else is gonna look wonky. But we're gonna press return once we place it in the right spot, and we're just gonna move it 3 inches vertically, so down, and 0 horizontal. And once again, going for that middle star, 0 horizontal, 3 vertical. Next thing we're gonna do is go to the first star, and we're gonna move it 1.5 vertical, 1.5 horizontal. So now we go back to the first 3 stars, and we're just going to move those 3 inches horizontally. And just make sure to put 0 for our vertical. And we're just gonna go instead of 3, we're gonna just do 6 horizontally. And then we're gonna go to our second star. We're gonna go to our other star, and we're gonna just do 1.5 again. Once we have those two, we're gonna move those. And it's just gonna be 3 vertical and 0 horizontal. And just repeat that once again with the last star. And just copy. Make sure you're copying and just not pressing OK, because you'll delete the previous star if you don't. And now this is a little extra, but I'm just recoloring the stars because I wanted a little bit more dimension. I didn't want the same color for every single one. And I'm just gonna press the recolor tool to get it to the same exact color combination. Next thing I'm just gonna do is press Command G, and that will just make everything compact together. And after I did that, I did accidentally move the box, but just gonna press Command Z. We copy and paste the box into the front, and we're gonna put the fill and stroke both at clear. The next thing you're gonna do is press all of it, and we're gonna go to clipping mask and make, and we're all done. I did forget to add that if you want to save this pattern, go to Object, Pattern, and Make, and it will show up in your folder of patterns. This is our final project. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like any other specific tutorials, just let me know. This one's a little bit just very beginner, very brief, so thank you for watching.